Packing for a track weekend is like a mix of camping and a sleepover with your best friends. It's pretty much the best thing ever. But it's also a lot like prepping for a car show, because you gotta get the car ready so it doesn't like kill you or anyone else, or less extreme breakdown, which she might. It's always important to bring some tools you think you might need in case the car breaks, but like I said, it's gonna be a chill weekend, so if the car breaks, I'm just gonna push it onto the trailer and drink some beer. This is for other people. Which brings me to my next point. It's imperative that you bring your own cooler. My friends gave me a hard time the first couple times because I didn't have my own cooler, so pack like it's a 2-day college party. All right, so now we got everything packed up, ready to go. The car's tucked into the trailer. The most important thing to do now is get a good night's sleep. So good night, see you in the morning.
Good times at Virginia International Raceway with me, and thanks for joining us.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we love you here at NASA Mid Atlantic. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be great today. Perfect horsepower weather, good traction, mid-60s coming at you. The ball happens across turn 1.
dogs the American way. Wieners. Ooh, shit. Bacon.
Cheers. E30, North Carolina team.
Yeah, we're at a BMW thing. This is pretty tight though. I used to have an E30.
How's your hand?
Yeah, it's all good.
It's still attached.
that wraps up a pretty good weekend at the VIR. All in all, I had a great time. Great news, I made it to HPD2. So there's my progression, trying to make it up the ranks with the track car, and all in all, it was a weekend that I needed. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
It's awesome. It's awesome. Everyone should experience it at least once.
You gonna get one?
I don't know.
She's gonna soup up that Honda she's got.
You need to track your car.
Right? It's great. This is great.